Hanji, very good morning. All present here on 16th of July 2021, and we are going to start with the next chapter, that is climate. It's a very interesting chapter. It's a very tricky, you can say, and it will give you new questions which will be helping you beat your competitive exams in the future years. Number of points or elements are being given over here in this chapter, which will help you out go in the competition and get the success. So go with this chapter, read this chapter, and understand. Try to understand each and every concept, and try not leave any class beforehand. Because कभी भी किसी भी टाइम 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन जो है वो मैं तुम लोगों को बता सकती हूँ, and it will be helping you for your future. So come to the concept, chapter 4, that is climate. First of all, ये बहुत छोटी क्लासेस में तुम लोगों ने कंसेप्ट्स पढ़े होंगे, वेदर, एटमॉस्फेयर, क्लाइमेट, इन सब के टर्म्स पता है. Before the chapter, I just want to discuss these things with you. आप लोगों ने ये concept weather सुना होगा? What is weather? What is weather? Anyone? कोई बता सकता है?
And weather is a state of atmosphere in an area.
Okay, very nice. Exactly right.
For short period of time.
It is, we can say, it is the state of atmosphere of a particular area for a particular time, for a particular place, we can say. Okay? It is the state of, you can write if you want to write. It is a state of atmosphere for a particular area, for a particular period of time. That is weather. And if we talk about climate, it is a day-to-day changes. It's a day-to-day changes. It's a matter of state of atmosphere for a particular place, for a particular time. Or it even changes from morning to evening, from hour to hour. Changes of the weather, changes of the atmosphere state from hour to hour, that is called weather. But when we comprise a word climate, it means the state of atmosphere or of a weather for approx 30 years. कहते हैं जब हम लोग देखते हैं कि एक स्टेट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस इन द अप्रोक्सीमेट 30 years span of time, 25 to 30 years span of time, तो हम उस एरिया के जो पॉइंट्स है, उस एरिया का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है, उसको हम लोग कैटेगराइज करते हैं क्लाइमेट. लाइक इंडिया, अगर मैं इंडिया this is equator, this is tropical cancer, this is tropical Arctic circle, Antarctic circle, ये हम सबको पता है. मैंने फटाफट बना दिए because you know this thing. हमारा इंडिया का साइज है तो we know 8.4 to 38.7, 68.7 to 98.25. यही है हमारा एक्सटेंट, है या नहीं है? राम है ना? ओके, तो हमारा एक्सटेंट ये है.
Yes, ma'am.
हम लोग लाइक करते हैं ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल पार्ट, ट्रॉपिकल एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल पार्ट में हम लाइक करते हैं. तो हमारा इंडिया का जो क्लाइमेट है, बिकॉज हमारा इंडिया है तो साउथ साइड से 3 वाटर बॉडीज के साथ ज्वाइन करता है. 3 water bodies from eastern side, Bay of Bengal, from western side, Arabian Sea, from southern side, Indian Ocean. तो हमारे यहाँ से जो monsoon spreads are, that makes India a monsoon type of climate. हमारे भारत का जो क्लाइमेट बनता है वो कौन सी टाइप का क्लाइमेट बनता है? मॉनसून टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट हम लोग कहते हैं. अब मैंने वर्ड यूज किया क्लाइमेट. Can anyone tell me why I am using here monsoon type of climate for India? Ram.
Ma'am, because in south part there is more rain.
There is a
Rain.
yes, Tanish. मैंने climate word क्यों use किया? मैंने सिंपल ये पूछा है. Why I use climate word? India is having
for long,
monsoon type of climate. Yes, Tanish.
ma'am, because it is a long period of time. Climate.
हाँ बेटा माइक को आगे रख के बोलो. You are not at all audible.
Ma'am, because it is a climate is more a longer period of time.
Yes, because हमारे इंडिया का जो climate weather conditions है, that is you can say receiving more rain. So from the experience of 30 years, we can say India is having monsoon type of climate. ठीक है? Clear है? थोड़ा सा समझ आया? First point मैंने समझाया आपको weather क्या होता है. Second मैंने समझाया climate क्या होता है. Third मैंने आपको इंडिया की लोकेशन दोबारा बता दी so that we should know that where the India is existing, उसकी size and location क्या है and why we have this kind of climate, monsoon type of climate. Nowadays, which season is going on? Can anyone tell me?
Monsoon.
And summer.
Rainy season. How many seasons do we have in India? How many seasons do we have in India?
Ma'am,
Nurjot.
And four.
Four?
Five.
Five?
Ma'am, five.
Beta, basically we have 3 seasons. Summer season, winter season and rainy season. वो आप spring season और retreating season को seasons मत कहो. Basically we have 3 seasons. One is summer season, second is winter season and third is rainy season. That is called monsoon season. हम कहते हैं rainy season. ठीक है? In India, we have 3 seasons: weather, state of atmosphere for a short period of time, climate, state of weather condition from past 25 to 30 years on an average. So we can call it as a climate of that country or that area. So according to that weather conditions, we can say India is a monsoon type of climate, which is found almost in the south part, which is देखो climate को affect कौन सी चीजें करती हैं? Can anyone tell me which things affect the climate? Affect the climate. Number 1, factor affecting climate.
altitude.
Area. Number 1, area. Number 2, altitude. Number 3, near the sea. 3 पॉइंट मैं करवा रही हूँ, ज्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ. एरिया यानी कि far from the equator, distance from the equator. First point ले लेते हैं distance from the equator. Second point ले लेते हैं height and third point ले लेते हैं ले सकते हैं. As we move away from the equator, the temperature decreases. As we move away from the equator, temperature decreases and the high altitude temperature decreases. Snows are there, glaciers are there. So at that case, climate is extreme cold. But when we are coming near to the equator, the temperature is increasing. And as we live near the sea, as water do not, you can say, become more warm during the day period and more cold during the night, so they remain, you can say pleasant, they remain same. So the places near the sea are neither hot and nor cold. Is it okay? ये सारे में तुम्हें पिछली क्लासेस में तुम लोग पढ़ के आए हुए हैं ये सारी चीजें, isn't it? ये सारी चीजें तुम लोगों ने डिस्कस की हुई हैं, देखी हुई हैं, पढ़ी हुई हैं. आर्यन, isn't it? आर्यन, unmute yourself बेटा. ये हम लोग छोटी क्लासेस में 4th 6 में पढ़ के आए हुए हैं? आर्यन, आर यू लिसनिंग बच्चे? सो क्लाइमेट, हम लोगों ने इंडिया का जो क्लाइमेट करना है, इट इज sum total of weather conditions varies from over large area for over a long period of time. Now look at the book. Now I am going to start with the chapter. मैंने सारा ब्रीफ बता दिया आप लोगों को, हमने इस चैप्टर में क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. अब मैं फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ पे जा रही हूँ. In the last 2 chapters, you have read about the landform, the drainage of the country, and these two are the 3 basic elements in which one we come to know about the natural environment. Because सारी rivers जो है वो mountain से originate होती हैं, सारी rivers जो है वो घाट से originate होती हैं. Why? Because water bodies are there. That is why. So, atmospheric conditions जो है, atmosphere की conditions जो है, that made the climate of that particular place. As in Punjab, we can say in June and July, atmosphere is comparatively hot. July and August, comparatively rainy season, hot and humid. Hot and humid है आजकल. So, and December and January, we can say it's a warm, cold climate. And April and May, it is warm and we feel local wind, that is loo. Local wind जो हमारे पंजाब, हरियाणा and western UP में चलती है, that is called loo. And the answer of this we will be going to discuss. Second paragraph, climate. Now this is the definition of a climate as per the NCERT. Climate refers to the sum total of weather condition and variation over the large area. Sum total of the weather conditions, like a state of atmosphere for a particular day or time. Okay? So climate is the sum total of the weather condition and the atmospheric condition for over a long period of time, say 30 years. Already I had explained. Second is weather. It refers to the state of atmosphere for an area over a point of time. So यहाँ पर 1 mark का question और 2 mark का question बनता है. What is the difference between weather and climate? Jot down this question on your book. On the left hand side, जल्दी से लिख लीजिए. What is the difference between weather and climate? The element of weather and climate are same. अब देखो, what the elements are making the weather condition or the climate? कौन कौन से elements हैं जो weather condition को बनाते हैं? पहली चीज sunlight, यानी कि temperature. If temperature is hot, the area will be means warm. If the temperature is cold, then the area we can say is cold. Temperature is cold. It means weather condition को जो define करता है, उसका first element क्या है? Temperature. ठीक है, अगर temperature गर्म है तो weather वहां का hot है, अगर temperature ठंडा है तो वहां का weather भी ठंडा है. Atmospheric pressure. अब ये हम क्लास 7th में करके आए हैं. Atmospheric pressure. इसकी एग्जाम्पल मैं सबसे पहले तुम्हें दूंगी. As you can see a pressure cooker in your kitchen. Pressure always move from high, wind always move from high pressure area to low pressure area. Wind जो है, हवा जो है, हमेशा high pressure area से कहाँ को move करती है? Low pressure area के तरफ मूव करती है. इसकी एग्जाम्पल हमेशा जिंदगी में अगर याद रखनी है तो यू शुड रिकॉग्नाइज और लर्न प्रेशर कुकर. प्रेशर कुकर में हम कुछ भी बनने के लिए रखा जाता है तो विसल के फॉर्म में फिर बाद में स्टीम बाहर आती है. सो जब प्रेशर कुकर में हाई प्रेशर होता है तो वहां से स्टीम की फॉर्म में, स्टीम विसल की फॉर्म में बाहर आता है. इट मीन्स दिस इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल टू लर्न दैट जो एयर है, इट ऑलवेज मूव फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर एरिया टू low pressure area. याद रखेगा. So what the factor affecting weather? Number 1 is temperature, number 2 is atmospheric pressure, and number 3 we can say wind. हवाएं, अगर हवा ज्यादा है तो obviously weather condition वहां की stormy होगी, dusty होगी, and we can see in the month of April and May, 4 storms are coming. हम शाम को बैठे होते हैं, एकदम से तूफान आ जाता था, dusty storms आ जाते थे. आते थे या नहीं आते थे? So dusty storms are there during that period of time. Humidity, wind, humidity. Nowadays we can feel humidity means presence of water vapor in the air are low. पानी के वेपर्स जो है वो हवा में ज्यादा होते हैं. That is why humidity is there. And percentage of precipitation. Precipitation means rain. So what are the factors affecting weather or climate? देख सकते हैं elements of weather and climates. कौन-कौन से elements हैं? So please write down elements of weather please write down these. कौन-कौन से हैं? कौन बोलेगा? कौन बोलेगा? Elements of weather and climates.
Ma'am, temperature,
Atmosphere,
atmospheric pressure,
humidity.
atmospheric pressure, wind,
हाँ जी. So the elements of ये रितिका join ही नहीं कर पा रही है. हाँ जी. So the elements of weather and climate are number 1 we can say temperature, number 2 atmospheric pressure, number 3 wind, number 4 humidity and number 5 is precipitation. Is it okay? ये 1 mark का question है. So you may have observed that the weather condition fluctuate over often within a day. जब फ्लक्चुएट होती है मौसम, सुबह जो है बहुत रेनी बना हुआ है, आफ्टर में बिल्कुल सनी हो गया और बहुत ज्यादा ह्यूमिड हो गया, तो शाम को फिर प्लेजेंट हो जाता है. So but there's some common pattern over a few weeks or a month. Days are cool and hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet and dry. On the basis of generalizing month atmospheric condition, the year is divided into such season. अभी मैंने बताया number of season, that is summer season, winter season and rainy season. This is also given in your book. 3 seasons are being given in your book. Is it okay to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
proceed? Okay, 1 mark question.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you know? में देखिए underline करिए. 1 mark question. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word. The word monsoon is derived from the dash word. Arabic word mosam, which literally means season. Mosam, which literally means season. ये 1 mark का question है. Monsoon refer to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during the year. ये आपका monsoon का 1 mark का question बनता है. So from the left hand side, you come to know how many questions we can do. So next आ जाता है इंडिया के climate के बारे में. If it is clear up to this, please give thumbs up so that I can proceed. Aryan, I want from your side also. Aryan, if you are listening, please give thumbs up. Okay, fine. Aryan, switch on your camera. Why you are hiding yourself? So the climate of India is described as a dash type. Climate of India is described as dash type. कौन सा type का climate है India का?
monsoon climate,
Monsoon type of climate. In Asia, हम लोग एशिया में नहीं करते हैं. India is a subcontinent of Asian continent. This type of climate is found mainly in the south and southern eastern part, despite overall unity and general pattern. There are perceptual regional variation climatic condition within the country. हमारे भारत के अंदर भी अगर हम देखा जाए तो बहुत सारी like यहाँ पर near the sea है, definitely the temperature is not so hot, not so cold. As we move from the upper side, temperature increases, we can feel, or as we can experience that same temperature because we are living in the plain area. हम लोग plains पे रहते हैं, तो we can receive maximum hot weather conditions and cold weather condition and even precipitation on an average. हमारे यहाँ पर precipitation ज्यादा नहीं होता है, जबकि heavy precipitation है वो इस साइड पर होता है because यहाँ पर western Ghats की height ज्यादा है. When the winds come from this area, they just attack with it and throw the precipitation on this area. That is why heavy and bulky rain is being received in this western Ghats. That is why all the rivers originated from the western Ghats are during the season, rainy season. Is it clear? हमारे सारे चैप्टर एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेट करते हैं. बात समझ आ रही है? Is it okay, Manveer? So, in summer we can see summer में इतना टेम्परेचर ऊपर होता है कि हमारे राजस्थान के जैसलमेर में 51 तक गया और लद्दाख में -16 तक चला जाता है, -30 तक चला जाता है. ठीक है, -30 डिग्री तक हमारा इतना वेरिएशंस है हमारे इंडिया में. The variation is there in India as because of different location. We can receive temperature up to 50 degree in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, and we receive -30 to 40 degree temperature in Ladakh. ये हमने क्लास 7th में पढ़ा था, अगर आपको याद हो. So in summer, mercury occasionally touches 50 in some part of Rajasthan. Desert, यहाँ राजस्थान डेजर्ट में आपको नाम नहीं दिया गया है. Please write down Jaisalmer. In some part of Rajasthan, whereas it may around 20 degree in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. Same time पर पहलगांव, जम्मू कश्मीर देखे, सोनामर्ग देखे, you can say जम्मू कश्मीर के और एरिया देखे, तो वहां पर उस टाइम टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री होता है, जो कि जैसलमेर में सेम डे सेम टाइम टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री तक होता है. और इन विंटर टेम्परेचर ऑफ इंडिया इन द्रास सेक्टर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में भी -45 to 50 डिग्री. And Trivandrum on the same time, Trivandrum it is temperature is 22 degree. So underline this paragraph for how we can see the temperature in India varies at same time. How, write down the question, how we can say temperature in India varies at same time on different places. Is it okay to everyone? I hope it is clear. If it is clear, please raise your hand. Okay. Aryan, I'm not receiving from your side. Okay, should I proceed further? Now look at the let us now look at precipitation. अब हम precipitation की बात करें, बारिश की बात करें, there are variation not only in the form of type of precipitation but also on the amount of rainfall. हमारे इंडिया में रेनफॉल भी सेम नहीं होती है. Like in the western area, अगर हम राजस्थान की बात करें तो वहाँ पर एरिड रहता है. सेम यहाँ पर मेघालय की बात करें, चेरापूंजी, माइनसवरम, प्लीज नोट डाउन, Cherrapunji, Mysuru, which receives maximum precipitation in the संसार में सबसे ज्यादा precipitation होती है चेरापूंजी, माइनसवरम इन मेघालय, क्योंकि when the winds from Bay of Bengal वो उसी सर्कल में घूमती रहती हैं and that create maximum rainfall, that is 400 centimeters rainfall in that area. And we can consider On the western side, there is arid area, and on the same position, we can see only the latitude difference, longitude difference is there. So they receive maximum of rainfall. That is 400 centimeter in Meghalaya. And we can say that Ladakh precipitation is in the form of snow. अगर हम राजस्थान की बात करें तो वहां पर 10 to 20-25 सेंटीमीटर तक रेनफॉल होती है, जबकि वहां पर मेघालय में होती है 400 सेंटीमीटर तक रेनफॉल। और अगर लद्दाख की बात करें तो वहां पर रेनफॉल नहीं होती है, ओनली यू कैन से डेजर्ट, दैट एरिया इज आल्सो कंसीडर्ड टू बी एज अ डेजर्ट, कोल्ड डेजर्ट। तो वहां पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रेसिपिटेशन किस चीज की होती है, स्नो की होती है। So this type of variation is also there in the form of precipitation. I hope it is clear up to this. Next concept I will give you from Monday on. Fine. So in the meanwhile, you have to complete your notebook as the assignment is being shared with you. If you feel any difficulty or doubt, we will discuss it in the class, next class. ठीक है?